In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify MyFxBook account. So the first thing you want to do, of course, you must add an account inside MyFxBook. So sign into your account, go up here, top right, click on settings, and then it's going to take you to accounts over here where you basically have to add in your account. Once you add in your account, click on your account name, which for me is going to be over here, this account over here, and then you can click on edit. And it's going to take you directly inside your account. Now, when you are inside here, inside your account, you want to click on settings. So here, you're going to see a bunch of things. It's going to be your name over here, and you want to click on settings. In here, you want to click on where it says connection up top, and then here you can see it says verify my account. Click on verify my account. And then here it's going to give you a verification password. You can read what this is over here. So it says that you have to change your investor password to the one shown here so they can verify you have trading privileges for the account in question. And then here it says after changing the investor password for your account, please click on verify my account. So basically just copy this password like this. There we go. Go ahead and go inside your account, so whatever you have your account set up with. For example, I have it with Pepperstone, as you were able to see earlier. You have to go inside your account, change the password to this very password over here, and then you want to click on verify my account. And once you do that, everything is going to go through, and then your account will successfully be verified. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.